Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the morning con call. We start with technical and derivatives outlook. So in yesterday's session, we saw that there was a decline in the Nifty index, and we saw almost a low of 19,480 level. However, there was a slight recovery from the day's low. The market is closed at 19,512. So basically, the close was about 19,500 level. So if we see for the last 5 6 trading session, the Nifty is making a kind of a doji kind of a pattern. Whenever there is a decline, it recovers from the day's low and it closes flat. So this has been happening for the last 5 6 trading session, and this level of 50-day moving average, which is 19,600, is acting as a immediate resistance. So I believe that once we scale above 19,600 level, then there will be little bit of further positive momentum. Till then, there is a sideways consolidation is going to follow. The range for the Nifty is 19,200 to 19,800. This is the broader range. Only in the near term, when this 19,800 is taken out, then the aggressive bullish momentum will continue. Till then, the sideways consolidation will be there. We have to keep a stock specific buying approach on the market, is what I believe. IT, IT and healthcare are the two space which are looking good on charts. So this would be the sector specific view. And if you look at the Bank Nifty has been making a lower low, and now it has almost come close to the support zone of 43,500 level. Yesterday, the Bank Nifty saw a decline till 43,796 level, but then the in the earlier case, the low was registered close to 43,500 mark. So the momentum is weak. So there is a chance that market may come, Bank Nifty may come close to 43,500 level, and then there can be some bounce. So it's a wait and watch until unless we don't see any strong reversal on the charts. The range for the Bank Nifty is 43,000 and 45,000. It's a broader range as of now. So we are of the opinion that whenever it comes close to 43,500 and 43,000, this range, we will be hunting for the stock specific long trades, because maybe over larger degree charts are very still positive. This decline should be viewed as a buying opportunity. Coming to the derivatives report, so there was a long build up with the Nifty future to the tune of minus 0.46%. The put call ratio has declined from 1.12 to 1.04, so slightly declined. The major call writing was in 19,800 and 20,000. So this is the resistance. Put writing is seen at 19,500. So this is the immediate support. In case of Bank Nifty, there was a short build-up to the tune of 2.43%, and the put call ratio has decreased from 0.88 to 0.73. Even the call writing was seen as 44,000 and 44,500. So this is going to act as a resistance. Whereas on the put side, 43,000 and 43,800, so put writing. So that will be the support. The stocks that are in ban are Enable Housing Finance, Delta Corp, L&T FH, MCX, Manappuram, and PNB. And then looking at the FI data, so the FI has slightly gone short on the index future, close to 3,400 contracts. They are net short by 87,000 contracts, and long short ratio stands at 27%. So I think the market today, after yesterday's decline, I think today there's some bounce back is expected. I believe in the first half of the first 1 hour of the trade, if the market manages to hold 90,500, then I expect some trading bonds from intraday trading bonds for that day. So that's the technical view. I'll hand over to Devang sir for more research updates. Thank you.
Thank you, Brijesh. Good morning, all. So, couple of fundamental news from my end. Firstly, on we release monthly chemical updates. So, on that, majority of the chemicals maintained a stable prices on month-on-month basis. We note that certain chemical prices are exhibiting recovery in prices owing to resilient domestic demand, abating intensity of dumping by Chinese players owing to unsustainable low price, rise in crude prices, and hopes of strong stimulus measures in the Chinese economy. Export-led demand is expected to be muted in light of the weak global macro. Companies with long-term contracts which have price variation clauses embedded with them will fare better owing to better revenue visibility and margin protection. So companies who are higher up the specialty chemical value chain stand to benefit immensely from the long-term perspective. Within chemical pack, we like Navin Fluorine and SRF. Uh, then on Cummins India. So Cummins India has received a letter from dated October 9, 2023. So they have been conveyed that the cutoff date for the company's exit to SEZ is effective October 11, 2023. This will have higher tax implications for Cummins, and it does not bode well for Cummins. For Mazgaon Dock, MDL has signed an intent with an European client to construction of 6 firm and 4 optional units of 7,500 deadweight ton multipurpose hybrid power vessels, the prices of which would be formed up at the time of signing of the contract. So this bodes well for Mazgaon Dock. For Adani Cement, Adani Group Cement business, Ambuja and ACC Cements are aiming to enhance profitability by reducing their reliance on distributors. They have initiated a project in South Gujarat where they have reduced the number of distributors from 12 to 3. Adani is planning to sell cement directly to the end users, cutting off the intermediaries. We see reducing of number of distributors could reduce their reach and impact their market share in the area. Though initially Adani have started it only in South Gujarat, where size is small, yet we need to wait and watch whether there will be an impact on the market share of the Adani Cement. On Tata Steel, Fitch upgraded the steel makers to triple B minus from B plus plus with a stable outlook. So this upgrade follows a reduction in uncertainty and financial risk from its UK operations. So this is a positive news for Tata Steel. In terms of Dr. Reddy Laboratory, the company has received an antitrust complaint filed in California court by Mayo Clinic and LifePoint Corporate Services. It alleges that improper restraining of competition and shared monopoly in the sale of Realme. This is a negative news for Dr. Reddy. Genius Power and Infrastructure, the company has received two LOAs worth rupees 3,115 crores for the design and advanced material metering infrastructure with the supply, installation and commissioning of 34.8 lakh smart prepaid meters. So this bodes well for Genius Infra. Lastly, on pharma stocks, so the Indian market pharma stocks have reported very low growth in sales of 2.1% YOY in September. So this does not bode well for pharma stocks overall. That's it from my end. Over to you, Prabhakar sir.
Good morning, team. Dilip Bilkon yesterday signed pact with Water Resources Zone, Udaipur for 397 crore. This project is valid for 44 months. GR Infra and Patel Engineering joint venture to execute 3,637 crore contract agreement with NHPC. So the share of GR Infra will be 50%. The completion period will be 86 months. IRB Infra and its associate, they gave the provisional numbers of toll collection, which was higher by 28% at 421 crores for Q2 FY24 for the month of September. For Q2 FY24, the toll revenue was higher by 22% at 1,203. Rustomjee came with provisional numbers. It was a disappointing numbers. I think Loda came with a far better number. And the kind of sale Loda is doing, the premium property sale is something which is eye-catching. I think Loda can give you 10-15% return. Rustomjee, I'm not impressed with the number. Q2 FY24 pre-sale was only 360 crore. Collection was 585 crores. Company added one more project with the estimated GDV gross value of 11,500 crores. Pre-sale and the collection were lower than the previous year, but real estate cannot be compared quarter-on-quarter basis. But Rastamji, that is not in the premium space. The sales are happening in the premium space. IDFC First Bank sold one of his office, Naman Chamber in BKC, for 198 crores. This has been sold to NSDL so that they can consolidate their operation in a single corporate office in same BKC. Maruti Suzuki has announced their vision 2030-31. They said they will invest almost 1,25,000 crores in this time period till 2030-31 to develop 10 to 11 new models, including 6 EV vehicles, and it will double its annual production capacity to 4 million units. And they are planning to buy a Gujarat unit also. So what is the valuation? It is there uploaded in the exchange, but I didn't understand the full nitty-gritty. So I've given a pass on that. But we need to understand, the geopolitical tension. Yesterday market was lower, but that will be a very good opportunity to buy stock, which are not correcting. So there are many stocks which have not corrected yesterday, even in the thing. So those stocks will start to rally. I think, today there was a statement that Hamas wants to talk to Israel government. So, this tension will cool down. So it is just, the initial reaction that we saw a correction. We need to understand, the amount collected by mutual fund, your NPS, the Indian fund alone is very huge. So, even SIP every month we are getting 15,000 crores. So 15,000 crores means it is 1,80,000 crores, which is a huge money. So that is almost $20 billion, more than $20 billion. So we need to understand India is in a sweet spot. So any correction should be an opportunity to buy. There are few chemical companies also which can report good results. So result season has started. We had a KPI Green. They reported a good result, but we don't track the stock, so I have not talked about the result. With that, over to you, team.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. Few updates from my side. So first update on monthly chemical update. मेजोरिटी ऑफ द केमिकल जो है वो मेंटेन किया है स्टेबल प्राइसेस मंथ ऑन मंथ बेसिस पे। हम लोग नोट करते हैं कि सर्टन केमिकल प्राइसेस है वो एग्जिबिटिंग रिकवरी पे है प्राइसेस की ओइंग रिजिलेंट डोमेस्टिक डिमांड एंड इसके अलावा इंटेंसिटी है डंपिंग चाइनीज प्लेयर की उसके अनुसार। इसके अलावा जो क्रूड की प्राइसेस है वो राइज हुए हैं और स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टिमुलस मेजर्स है चाइनीज इकोनॉमी में। उनका जो एक्सपोर्ट लेड है वो डिमांड है वो एक्सपेक्टेड है कि म्यूटेड होगी लाइट ऑफ वीक ग्लोबल माइक्रो के कारण। कंपनी का लॉन्ग टर्म कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जो है उसकी जो प्राइस वेरिएशन है क्लॉजेस एम्बेडेड है जो बेसिकली फेयर बेटर ओइंग एंड बेटर रेवेन्यू विजिबिलिटी और मार्जिन प्रोटेक्शन से होगी। कंपनीज जो है वो हायर अप है स्पेशलिटी केमिकल्स वैल्यू चेन वो स्टैंड करती है कि बेनिफिट इमेंसली होगा लॉन्ग टर्म पर्सपेक्टिव से। देन नेक्स्ट अपडेट है क्यूमिंस इंडिया के ऊपर। क्यूमिंस इंडिया को लेटर मिला है अक्टूबर 9 को असिस्टेंट डेवलपमेंट कमिश्नर से पुणे क्लस्टर सेस से जो कन्विन करता है कि कट ऑफ डेट है उनकी कंपनी की जो एग्जिट लेना है सेल्स स्कीम से और वो फाइनलाइज होगा अक्टूबर 11 मतलब कल। और उसका जो फर्दर एग्जिट है फ्रॉम सेल्स वो हायर टैक्स इम्पैक्ट होगा क्यूमिंस में आगे जाके। द नेक्स्ट अपडेट है मजगांव डॉक के ऊपर। मजगांव डॉक लिमिटेड है उन्होंने साइन किया है लेटर ऑफ इंटेंट LOI यूरोपियन क्लाइंट के साथ जो बेसिकली कंस्ट्रक्शन करेंगे 6 फर्म्स 4 ऑप्शनल यूनिट्स 7,500 DWT मल्टीपर्पज हाइब्रिड पावर वेसल्स। और ये प्राइजेस है वो बेसिकली फर्म को साइनिंग कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के टाइम पे अभी तक होगा। देन नेक्स्ट अपडेट है अदानी सीमेंट्स के ऊपर। अदानी ग्रुप के जो सीमेंट बिजनेस है अंबुजा एंड एसीसी सीमेंट्स वो एम करे कि उनका जो प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी है वो इनहांस करने की और उनका जो रिड्यूसिंग देयर रिलायंस का जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स है उसके अनुसार। और ये इनिशियल प्रोजेक्ट है साउथ गुजरात वो रिड्यूस नंबर ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर किया है 12 से लेके 3 तक। अदानी प्लान करेंगे सेल सीमेंट डायरेक्टली और एंड यूजर कटिंग ऑफ द इंटरमीडिएटरीज, बेसिकली रिड्यूस नंबर ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर से उनका जो रीच है और इम्पैक्ट है मार्केट शेयर में वो एरिया में हो सकता है। इनिशियली अदानी ने स्टार्ट किया है कि ओनली ये साउथ गुजरात से मार्केट साइज स्मॉल करने का। देन नेक्स्ट अपडेट है टाटा स्टील के ऊपर, जो फेच का अपग्रेडेड स्टील मेकर है बीबी नेगेटिव से बीबी पॉजिटिव हो गया स्टेबल आउटलुक्स के साथ, और ये अपग्रेड फॉलो हुआ है रिडक्शन जो अनसर्टेनिटी और फाइनेंशियल रिस्क के यूके ऑपरेशन से वहां से। देन नेक्स्ट अपडेट है डॉक्टर रेड्डीज लैबोरेटरीज के ऊपर, कंपनी को जो एंटी ट्रस्ट कंप्लेंट है वो फाइल हुई है कैलिफोर्निया में, कैलिफोर्निया के कोर्ट में मायो क्लिनिक एंड लाइफ पॉइंट कॉर्पोरेट सर्विस से, और ये एलिगेशन है कि प्रॉपर रेस्टिंग ऑफ कंप्लीशन एंड शेयर मोनोपोली है सेल ऑफ रिविलिंग मिड जो कैप्सूल है उसके लिए। देन जीनस पावर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, कंपनी को यूनिट रिसीव हुआ है 2 LOAs का जो वर्थ है 3115 करोड़ की, और डिजाइन करेंगे एडवांस मीटरिंग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर सिस्टम जो सप्लाई इंस्टॉलेशन और कमीशन करेंगे 34.8 लाख स्मार्ट प्रीपेड मीटर्स। देन फार्मा स्टॉक के ऊपर अपडेट है कि इंडियन फार्मा मार्केट है, उन्होंने रिपोर्ट किया है लो सेल्स लाइक 2.1% ईयर ऑन ईयर सितंबर में, और ये डेटा के अनुसार है ऑल इंडिया ओरिजिन केमिकल और डिस्ट्रीब्यूट के डेटा के ऊपर। देन जीआर इंफ्रा एंड पटेल इंजीनियरिंग जो है उन्होंने जॉइंट वेंचर किया है NHPC के साथ एक प्रोजेक्ट के लिए, और इसमें 50% होगा जीआर इंफ्रा का, और ये कंप्लीशन होने के लिए 86 मंथ्स के अराउंड कुछ टाइम पीरियड होगा। देन IRB का टोल कलेक्शन के डेटा आया था, उसमें सितंबर मंथ में 28% से हायर आया है 421 करोड़, और Q2 में 22% से हायर आया 1203 करोड़ के अनुसार। देन नेक्स्ट अपडेट है रुस्तम जी के ऊपर, रुस्तम जी के प्रोविजनल नंबर्स आए थे, नंबर्स इतने कुछ अच्छे नहीं आए थे, बट हम लोग लोडा से कंपेयर करते तो लोडा के नंबर्स बहुत ही अच्छे आए थे उनके कंपैरिजन में। जो लोडा एक काइंड ऑफ सेल्स कर रही है वो प्रीमियम कैटेगरी में कर रही है, और हम लोग आई वॉच देखे तो काफी अच्छा लोडा परफॉर्म कर रही है, तो यहाँ से 10 to 15% की रैली हम लोग देख सकते हैं। और रुस्तम जी के Q2 के फाइनेंशियल ईयर 24 का कलेक्शन था 360 करोड़ का, लाइक अराउंड कलेक्शन 585 करोड़ का था, एंड उन्होंने वन मोर प्रोजेक्ट ऐड किया और उसकी जो बात है 11,500 करोड़ की। देन नेक्स्ट अपडेट है IDFC फर्स्ट बैंक के ऊपर, IDFC फर्स्ट बैंक जो कंपनी है उन्होंने सोल्ड किया है ऑफिस उनका कुछ अराउंड 198 करोड़ को, और ये प्रीमाइसेस में था नमन चेम्बर्स में BKC में, और ये सेल किया है NSDL को। देन ओवरऑल हम लोग देखें कि इम्पैक्ट जो आ रहा है मार्केट के ऊपर वॉर की वजह से, तो कल स्टेटमेंट आया था कि हमजा जो है वो मीट करना चाहता है इसराइल का, मतलब बातचीत होगी इसराइल गवर्नमेंट के साथ, तो इनिशियल रिएक्शन और हम लोगों ने कल करेक्शन देखा गया, तो एक अपॉर्चुनिटी रहेगी करेक्शन पे बाय करने के लिए। देन KPI ग्रीन के भी नंबर्स आए थे, हम लोग इतना कंपनी को ट्रैक नहीं करते पर नंबर्स अच्छे आए थे। आप ये जो करेक्शन है मार्केट में उसको बाइंग अपॉर्चुनिटी देख सकते हो और बाय ऑन डिक्लाइन स्ट्रेटजी फॉलो कर सकते हो। That's it from our end. Thank you everyone for joining the morning con call. Have a nice day.